Welcome to the Cuarto Journal, and for today's episode, we are going to teach you one of our favorite recipes to make and eat, Thai lemongrass fried chicken. Get ready to savor this very simple recipe with just a few delicious steps. Keep on watching! Start by prepping the lemongrass. You're just going to need the white soft portion. Then chop it into 1-inch long pieces. Then you can start pounding the lemongrass until it turns light and stringy like floss. Preferably, you're going to use coriander roots, but we don't have, so we're going to use the stem. Then also add 1 head of garlic and also cracked black pepper. And pound it until it turns into a paste consistency. Then, just add and mix everything with the chicken. You're also gonna add fish sauce, your crispy fry breading, which is in garlic flavor, one teaspoon of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, then drizzle freshly squeezed lemon juice, and lastly, oyster sauce. After mixing everything, cover it with a lid and let it marinate for at least an hour. Then you can start frying it. Make sure it is not crowded so that it can cook evenly. And this concludes our 8th episode. I hope you found the steps easy to follow and enjoyed the process as much as we did. Please support our channel by liking this video and subscribing down below. We will post more fun videos about our family, lifestyle, food, and travel. See you on the next episode. Bye!